Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. I just wanted to take a minute to talk about this little thing, because I've got to say, I have actually found this to be really impressive. So it's one of those windscreen dehumidifiers, and because my car has lots of moist cloths in it a lot of the time, the air in my car is quite humid. And in winter, when it freezes over, this glass freezes over, there's often ice front and back, and it's a bit of a nightmare if I'm honest. So I got this just to try out, and in all honesty, I wasn't expecting much. Now I know that these silica bead things aren't considered to be particularly good for the environment, but as long as they're disposed of correctly when the end comes, then all well and good. So this one in particular is made by a company called Ventis, and this is the box it comes in. Now, what you can see in there is a lot of clear beads, but also some orangey yellow ones, some that have gone a bit darker, and some that are kind of green. And they all start off yellow. And as they become more moist, as this absorbs more moisture, they go darker until they're like a dark green. And then once they've gone a dark green, chuck it in a microwave for about 6 minutes. Now the microwave thing I think is a little bit sketchy because I don't think many people have 600 watt microwaves these days. They're mostly 800 to 1000. They're a lot more powerful. So I have done this, but I have sort of heated this up in a microwave. I just did it for less time because I actually don't have a microwave. I popped this in one of my customers' microwaves and I wasn't sure of the wattage. But yeah, it worked a treat. So I've done that several times so far, and I have to say, I am really impressed. On a frozen day, when it's really icy outside, there was no ice in the car, and I haven't had to wipe the inside of the windscreen at all from any moisture or condensation, and it's even worked on the side windows too. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know, because I thought this is quite good. If I can find these online, I bought mine from a supermarket, but if I can find them online, I'll put a link to them in the description. Not much, it was under a tenner, as I say, and for me, I wasn't expecting much, turned out to be quite good. If you like this, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down, you know it's up to you. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, by all means subscribe. Costs you nothing, just means you get one of those lovely notifications which makes YouTube very exciting whenever I've uploaded another video. And I know you like to catch them all, don't you? Anyway, as you can see, the weather's getting bad outside. I will see you soon, and as I say, thank you for watching. You take care.